It does take about, I don't know, 6 or 7 seconds longer this way. Maybe 10. Not exactly sure. For some reason my camera is pretty blurry. Let's quickly show you here. Nice and quick, really fast response time. Power button on remote will actually exit. And this is the part I'm kind of working on. I want to automate this part. Maybe if you could help me with this. Although I don't mind it this way either. I'll sign in. And basically start X and boom. Now this is usually pretty instantaneous. Well, it wasn't too bad there. Couldn't resist it. The 3D desktop. Minimal install of XFCE. And this is the really cool part. Watch how fast XBMC will actually start up. Bam! Just like that. Now again, use my remote. Great functionality, Dolby Digital. I can't complain. Everything is working awesome. Again, power button, and bam, back. And that's my new setup.